Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine and safe. Today our concerned topic is related to step ahead exercise of an account of the mutiny of HMS Bounty. The first point is the journal started, or the adventure of Mr. Bilal started on Tuesday 20th 8th. The Captain Bilal was sleeping in his cabin. He stated that he was sleeping in his cabin. Mr. Christian, with his gunner's mate, entered in his cabin and led the mutiny. Led a mutiny on the ship, and the name of the ship was HMS Bounty. Threatened Bilal and his porters. Who threatened? Mr. Christian threatened Bilal and his porters to kill on a little noise. If he made even a little noise, then they will be killed. Then sent them into a small boat. Who sent them? Mr. Christian and his gunner mates, sent them into a small boat. Also provided them food or drinks. Due to insufficient food, Bilal managed to divide food among people of his crew. The food which they were provided by the Mr. Christian were short of or were insufficient for them. On Friday, few birds flew. They caught them. Who caught them? Mr. Bilal and his porters caught them. Divided the blood of bird among weakest people. Here were some people who were weak. Then Mr. Bilal gave them the blood of this bird as a source of remedy. On Saturday, weather was cold and rainy, and we can conclude that this journey was very horrible for all of his crew. So these were the points or the key points of the story. You can find help from them. Now we are going to start questions or the exercise of your step ahead of this journal. You can take help for the questions from your step ahead. Now open the page number 183 of your book. Here are only answers and you will find questions from your step ahead. Understanding the text, answer these questions to learn more about an account of the mutiny of HMS Bounty. The first questions are related to reading for details. The first question is, what did Captain Bilal's captors threaten to do to him if he made any noise? Captors mean who captivated them, who imprisoned them. The answer is that they threatened to kill him if he made any noise. The next question is, what did Captain Bilal do to try and get some help? He called out for help as loud as he could, but all in vain. The third question is, what weapons did Mr. Christian's men have? The name of the weapons are, they had cutlass, muskets and bayonets. Fourth question, how much bread was each person eating a day? Because the amount of bread or the food supplied by the Mr. Christian and his porters or his crew were short enough or were insufficient for the people or the crew members with Mr. Bilal. So each person was eating 1/25 of a pound 3 times a day. Hope you are getting. The last question of reading for detail is, who became the sickest of the group? The surgeon and the old man became the sickest of the group. They were ill or they became ill, and the remedy was the blood of a bird. The next questions are related to reading for meaning. The question number 6 is, why was Captain Bilal left without anyone to help him? Mr. Christian's men were holding all the Captain Bilal's porters captive, so the Mr. Bilal left without anyone to help him. Question number 7, why was Captain Bilal in pain? Captain Bilal was in pain due to his hands tied at the back tightly with a rope, so there was itching or there was pain in his hands. Question number 8 is, what is a mutineer? Mutineer word is related to mutiny. Remember that mutineer word is related to mutiny, and the mutineer is a person who takes control of a ship against the captain's wishes, or we can say as he revolted against the captain's wishes. Question number 9 is, what was the weather like for Captain Bilal and his porters on Friday 5th June 1789? So the weather was cold and wet. They found clams and a bird to eat. Question number 11. Why did Captain Bilal stop the men from eating all the food straight away? Because they were having insufficient food and did not know how long they were going to stay there. So Mr. Captain Bilal stopped the men from eating all the food straight away. Last question of reading for meaning is, what did Captain Bilal saved to give to very sick men? Captain Bilal had saved blood from the bird and wine to give to the very sick man as a source of remedy. Now reading for ideas, and question number 13 is why could not Captain Bilal and his porters protect themselves from the weather? Captain Bilal and his porters did not have any blanket or stuff to protect themselves from the weather. Question number 14 is, why do you think could have happened to the clams during the night? I think clams might have been eaten by someone hungry on the boat during the night. Last question is, from what you have read, how would you describe Captain Bilal as a captain? Here we will give some characteristics of his personality or features of his personality. Captain Bilal proved capable, fair, caring and responsible. So we can describe Captain Bilal as a captain. So these were all the questions of your exercise from Step Ahead. You will write them on your notebook, neat and clean with complete or full presentation. Now we will move towards summary. A summary on an account of mutiny of HMS Bounty. You can take help from the key points which I told you or which you see in your screen. Write this on your notebooks with neat and clean writing and with full presentation. First you will write rough draft summary with pencil and then with pen on next page. You can add pictures to elaborate your description. Hope you will understand. Take care.